Zilliqa is one of the most promising crypto projects that has surfaced in the last few years. However, it has already made massive gains in the last few weeks. So can we really expect it to go even higher? Could even 50 cents be possible? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss why Zilliqa could continue climbing towards 50 cents. But before that, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Zilliqa, a successful project. The first step in discussing the price prospects of Zilliqa must be a thorough understanding of the project's fundamentals and its history. Zilliqa is an Ethereum-based smart contract network that employs an asynchronous sharding architecture in an attempt to address scalability issues that have plagued other blockchains in the past. Zilliqa's sharded structure was created to significantly outperform the typical first-generation transaction rate of 5 to 20 transactions per second. As a result, multiple chains can process transactions in parallel, increasing the overall performance and capacity of the network. Apart from scalability, Zilliqa provides a smart contract layer that allows users to create smart contracts using Scala, the company's native programming language, as well as the ability to create smart contracts using other programming languages. Additionally, a hybrid proof of work (BFT) mechanism is used by the network to achieve consensus on contract execution and payment. Among other things, later in the article, we'll go into greater detail about the consensus protocol that the network employs to reach consensus. To increase the distribution of node operators, Zilliqa has implemented a staking scheme as part of its efforts to increase the distribution of node operators. Smart contracts and decentralized applications can be developed on the shared blockchain network, which is accessible to all developers. This Singapore-based project grew out of a blockchain thesis project at the National University of Singapore, and it is currently in the early stages of development. Prior to the release of the white paper, Pratik Saxena and Loi Lu worked together on a white paper that provided some insight into the concept of blockchain sharding. One of the primary reasons that many users consider Zilliqa to be an excellent long-term investment is the ability to share funds on the platform within established blockchains, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Miners compete to solve the same set of transactions that are contained within a single block of transactions, which is known as the hashing problem. Logic and sequentially are applied to the events of the day. For its part, sharding is the process of dividing a blockchain network into shards, each of which is responsible for solving a portion of a block while still remaining in sync with the rest of the network. It is possible to compare the process of sharding to that of breaking down a large group of people into smaller groups in order to complete a large task successfully. For the task to be completed successfully, rather than having everyone attempt to complete it all at the same time, different groups work together to complete different sections of the task in turn. Thus, sharding makes transaction processing much faster and more efficient. The greater the number of nodes that join a network, the better the network's ability to handle transfer requests will be in general. It's similar to having more subgroups to help you solve a puzzle when you're working on one. As the Ethereum network becomes more congested, the fees charged by the network fluctuate. In order to compensate, its fees are competitively priced due to the fact that Zilliqa is able to process transactions at a significantly faster rate than the competition. ZIL is also used to compensate miners who perform transaction verifications on the Zilliqa blockchain, which is a cryptocurrency that is decentralized. By the way, are you invested in Zilliqa? Let us know in the comments section down below. A good investment? Since the Ethereum network is currently experiencing congestion as well as the high transaction costs, flexible smart contract platforms such as Zilliqa are becoming more appealing. In order for developers to be able to rely on a network that can scale as needed while still maintaining its speed despite the high volume of dApps, the network must be scalable. The company, on the other hand, will need to reach a whole new generation of customers, developers, and applications if it is to remain successful. The country has not, however, reached its full potential. However, the network has a slew of exciting projects in the works that will aid in it achieving its goal in the near future, so stay tuned. As a result of the NFT craze, Zilliqa announced an auction in April 2021 for an NFT Greatness Collector package, which included world-renowned boxer Terence "Bud" Crawford, with bids starting at $250,000. Luxuries such as 2 round-trip flights to attend upcoming matches as well as a pair of limited edition autographed boxing gloves in a limited edition design are included in the prize package. Zillstars is yet another project that has piqued the interest of a number of people, a throwback to the traditional basketball cards of the past. It features an NFT collection that includes famous soccer players such as Joao Felix and Diego Costa. Among others, these non-fiction titles, which include everything from exclusive interviews to autographed spikes and gloves, are a must-have for sports fans looking to acquire memorabilia from their favorite players in a convenient format. A significant advantage that Zilliqa currently enjoys is the absence of any high-profile competitors who are doing exactly what it is doing. This is one of the most significant advantages that Zilliqa has currently. For lack of a better term, it can take advantage of the market and continue its development without having to worry about competing market players getting in the way. Also, make sure you write your thoughts on Zilliqa as an investment choice in the comments section. Price outlook. The overall growth rate of Zilliqa has been relatively consistent since the company's inception, with no significant price drops occurring during that time. It was in May of this year that the price of Zilliqa reached an all-time high of 23 cents. The following 6 months saw a decline, with the price dropping to around 1 cent in December. Zill maintained a price range between $0.004 and 2 cents for approximately 2 years, until it experienced a recent bull run in December 2021, during which it rose to 25 cents. As of the time of this video, the price of Bitcoin has fallen for the second time, and the cryptocurrency's market capitalization has decreased to approximately $1.7 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. By their very nature, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. As a result of the frequent fluctuations in their prices, it is difficult to forecast the future value of Zilliqa prices with any degree of accuracy. What do you think Zilliqa's long-term prospects are? Let's take a look. The ZIL/USDT pair experienced a 371% increase in just 6 days following the launch of the ZIL metaverse, dubbed Metapolis, as well as a recent partnership with other firms. It was as a result of this that the altcoin reached a high of 23 cents on April 1st, marking the altcoin's highest level in more than 11 months at the time. At the 23 cents resistance level, a long rejection candle appears on the coin chart, indicating that sellers are preventing any further growth from occurring from this point. Failure to purchase the stock by buyers suggests that they have run out of steam, and a minor correction is required to re-establish positive momentum in the stock market. In response to the perpendicular rally, the ZIL price has risen above the exponential moving average and reached new all-time highs. It is necessary for the coin price to maintain a reasonable distance from its moving average in order to maintain a healthy bull run. Failure to do so signals the beginning of a possible pullback in the market. Consequently, we expect it to consolidate for a few weeks before beginning to rise again. As a result, we expect it to climb to 50 cents until August. What do you think about Zilliqa's future? Will it hit 50 cents soon? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.